In today's video, I will walk you through how to set up two-factor authentication on your Robinhood Legend account. In this tutorial, you will learn how to access your security settings, enable two-factor authentication, and choose a verification method to protect your account. Start by logging into your Robinhood account on the website. Once you are signed in, click on the human-like icon on the upper right-hand corner, then click View More Details under Margin. A new window will pop up. Once you are on your main dashboard, look at the top right corner of the screen and click on your account icon. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings. This will take you to your account settings page where you can manage different account options. On the settings page, locate the Security and Privacy section. Click on it to open the security settings for your account. Inside this section, look for the two-factor authentication option and select it. This feature requires an additional verification code each time you log in addition to your password. After selecting it, you will be prompted to choose a method for receiving your authentication codes. You will have two options. You can choose SMS text messages or an Authenticator app. If you choose SMS, enter your mobile phone number when prompted. Robinhood will send a verification code to your phone. Enter that code into the field on the screen to confirm your number and complete the setup for this method. If you choose an Authenticator app, a QR code will appear on your screen. Open your Authenticator app on your mobile device and scan the QR code displayed. The app will generate a one-time code. Enter that code back into the Robinhood page when prompted to confirm the setup. This links your Authenticator app to your account. For future logins, once either method is completed, click the Enable button to activate two-factor authentication. After enabling it, your account will require both your password and a verification code each time you log in. That is how you set up two-factor authentication on your Robinhood account.